tire technicians out there. It is Izzy and Billy from Tech Tire and Wheel. Say hi, Billy.
Hi, everybody.
As you know, Tech is the global tire and wheel authority, and we are all about proper training, right, Billy?
Absolutely right.
Today, Billy and I are going to talk to you about why proper tire buffing is so important, explain what makes Tech buffing tools unique, and provide some great safety tips to keep you safe and on the job.
That's right, Izzy. Buffing is an essential step in tire repair, so having high-quality tools and knowing how to use them is critical. That's why Tech is proud to provide a wide range of Tech premium buffing tools. Our buffing tools are recognized the world over for their superior performance and exceptional service life. Feel free to check them out in our online store at techtirerepairs.com or contact your local Tech distributor.
All right, time to get started. Billy is going to begin by explaining why buffing is such an important step in proper tire repair.
Well, Izzy, proper buffing will ensure that the ideal texture is created to the inner liner of the tire. This texture is critical for maximum adhesion of a tire repair. If improper buffing wheels or procedure are used, the result could be a poor texture that leads to a repair failure, and we all know how important it is to ensure our repairs don't fail so that we keep people safe.
So what is a proper buff texture?
First, a proper buff texture will have all surface contaminants removed along with the top oxidized surface layer of rubber. The correct texture has just enough roughening to produce better bonding of the repair and should be level without dips and gouges.
Okay, Billy, when are we going to talk about Tech's structured tooth coatings?
Chill out, Izzy. That's exactly what I'm going to talk about now.
Well, it's about time.
Just ignore her. Okay, common buffing tools use a coating of irregular grit particles which do not remove material very efficiently. This can result in slower buffing, poor texture, excessive heat, and increased likelihood of scorching. Tech's structured tooth buffing tools, on the other hand, use a coating of very sharp and uniform teeth. The uniform height and open tooth structure allow our buffing tools to buff cooler, remove material faster, and create a uniform, textured surface for maximum repair adhesion. We offer a number of coatings with 170, 230, or 390 SSG, representing fine, medium, and coarse.
All right, step aside, Billy, because now we have to get to our safety tips. All right, guys, no matter what area of the tire you're buffing, always be sure to wear safety goggles or glasses to prevent buffing dust from getting into your eyes. After all, we want to protect the only set we will ever have. Secondly, and I have seen this happen, be sure to disconnect your airline or power source whenever you change your buffing tool. Failure to disconnect the airline or power source could result in accidentally engaging the trigger on the buffer and causing a serious injury. These tools are crazy powerful, so be diligent about this.
So there you have it. We've explained why proper buffing is so critical in tire repair. We've also mentioned why it's important to use only the best tools. We've shown you some of the advantages of Tech's premium buffing tools and provided a better understanding of our structured tooth coating.
And don't forget my safety tips. Billy and I hope you found this information useful and maybe even a bit entertaining. Join Billy and I for our other buffing videos, including our Tech Premium Buffing Tool Overview, Inner Liner Buffing Tools and Techniques, Section Repair Tools and Techniques, and how to spot a clogged or worn out buffing wheel.
Yeah, we have really enjoyed sharing our experience with you so you can ensure every tire you repair is done to the highest standard.
On behalf of Billy and I and everyone at Tech Tire and Wheel, we look forward to seeing you on our next Tech Tire and Wheel training video. See you soon.